My name is Ria Prasad, and I am a business analyst with a German startup called Blinken. To begin with, I started my journey as a business development intern, and I saw some team members doing the business analysis work of requirement elicitation and project planning and managing stakeholders. And that made me very interested about this area, and I wanted to learn more about it. I wanted to do something here. That's when I got hold of the ECB examination, and I took the business analysis master class, and it changed my perspective about this area. As a woman, I see that we naturally have a tendency of being empathetic, being risk takers, taking initiatives, and I see this as a perfect space for us in the business area, these natural tendencies that we have. But also because as a business analyst, I see myself as a very important person in a project, because essentially we as business analysts take down these requirements from the customer, and we plan the scope for the project. We work with the project manager as in to understand the scope and help him make the entire plan for the project and manage the end-to-end execution of the entire project. To all the women out there, I would really encourage them to take up business analysis as a career. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kritika Shankar and I'm working as a business analyst in an IT firm. I joined the firm 4.5 years ago as a developer, as a fresher, and then I wanted to step into a role which is more of a non-technical role. So that's when I came across an opening for a business analyst and I took a jump into it. It sounds simple, right? But it is simple only till then. Because I took up that role without any prior knowledge or any skills or practice as to what a BA role has to do, what are the deliverables, what are the responsibilities connected to this role, etc. So when I got to know them, I was really shocked and I was lost. So that's when the searching for some guidance, help started, and that's when I came across our masterclass. And thank God, I'm really glad that I joined this masterclass by Sajna, because the experience in that masterclass, working as a team and working on the deliverables or certain techniques, hands on, helped me to boost my confidence, and I was able to take that back to my work and apply it there. So that helped me to boost my confidence and increase my visibility in the team, because the quality of the deliverables improved. So it was very obvious that okay, this person is doing something differently. So I started showing up, and then my participation improved. My involvement was improved. I would say when I started the BA career, it was from a place of fear, in confidence, but now it has moved to a place where I'm looking forward to what this role has to offer, to explore this role, to know better, and to implement the skills that I've learned time and again. It's a journey that I think I've started preferring. Being a part of the masterclass helps, and the learning, the understanding with which you will go back to your job and apply those things is very important.
Hi guys, I'm Sushma. I'm a BA, and women who are looking to restart their career after a long gap and women who want to switch their job, I encourage them to get into a BA role, which is extremely interesting. And even people with non-tech background can also get into this, and which will be very, very, very interesting course. So I'm a BBA student, and I've completed this business analysis masterclass course, in which I came to learn a lot of new trends and the new tools and the methodologies that's been evolved in the business analysis. And I've also completed the boot camp, which is a part of business analysis masterclass course, and in which we have used all the knowledge we have learned in the course, and we used it and we implemented that in the boot camp, so which literally helped me a lot for my career. And after that business analysis masterclass course, I've been done an internship regarding the as a business analyst. and later I've got a job as a business analyst in a software company. So people, I mean the women who want to restart their career or want to kickstart as a like they want to try a new role or new job in their life, so it's the best course. You have to learn it because this is what I've completed, and it really helped me a lot to kickstart my career. Thank you so much, Sajna ma'am. Thank you.